I beg your pardon?
You're fine.
I beg your pardon?
You're just ruining it. Look at my lips. You're ruining it. Ruining the fun for the next man.
What's up, you guys? I'm Deja. Welcome to my fitness series where I bring you guys along with me to the gym and on my journey to lose more weight. In this video, I'll be running. Running is definitely something I've been scared to do, something I've been avoiding. I've been terrified, but I definitely think it's necessary for me to lose more weight. I'm also going to be doing arm and back workouts just to target those areas. I definitely feel like my arm and back is a problem area that I need to start working on. If you don't already know, on the left side of the screen, I was at 291 pounds. And on the right side of the screen, prior to starting my weight loss series, I was at 217 pounds. And I just want to lose more weight and show other plus size girls that you can do it as well. I'm wearing the Sweet Sweat waist trainer in this video. And I definitely encourage everyone to go out and purchase this band. It helps you with sweating, and I honestly believe it helps you with losing weight in those areas, of course, along with healthy eating. But let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Let's get into it. Now, I didn't want to waste you guys' time with a full-on stretch warm-up, but I definitely want to throw in there that I did stretch. If you're new to running or if you're working out, period, take some time to just stretch, just to prepare your muscles to start working out, just to warm up your body. So I would say take a minute to maybe even 5 minutes just to get those muscles ready to start going. Before running, I did do a 2-minute walk, a speed walk on speed 3.5, just to prepare my body to start running. Make sure you guys do a warm-up. Don't just jump right into it if you're new to running. Also, make sure you have some water with you. I would say don't hold on to the treadmill. That makes it easier for you and you want to work your body out completely. I would just also make sure you make time to cool down and warm up. Give your body time to rest before you start running. I will also say don't incline your treadmill too much. You maybe want to start off on a low incline or don't do an incline at all. Running along with the incline can just increase your risk of falling if you're new and you're scared about this. And it can also be a strain on your hips and your back with the incline plus running. So just take your time with it, you guys. Warm up, be patient with your body before you just jump out there and start running on the treadmill. So I wanted to let you guys know that running helps relieve stress and depression. It also helps you with weight loss, of course. That's why I'm doing it. It helps you with building your self-esteem. And running helps you with lowering your blood pressure, and it also helps you guys get better sleep. I'm going to link everything down below so y'all know I'm not just pulling this information out of my behind, but I'll definitely say from starting running in the past few weeks, I definitely feel less stressed out, and I definitely feel the confidence in myself going up. I was so proud of myself from running, and I felt so good with running. So if y'all are stressed or depressed or having confidence issues, definitely go to the gym and start running, because I'm telling you guys, I felt so much better after filming this video. And running is something that I definitely want to start doing every day. So make sure y'all start running. Tell me about your experience. Comment down below if you're already running. What's your running routine, or what tips do y'all have for me about starting out running? I wanted to let you guys know that I spent a total of 20 minutes on the treadmill. I am new to running. I'm not going to sit here and provide you guys with false footage. So for me, since I'm new to running, what I did was I ran a total of 6 minutes on the treadmill. So I would run for a minute straight, and then I would take a 2-minute to 3-minute walk just to prepare myself to start running again. This is a process, and I'm definitely going to have to work my body up to be able to run 20 minutes straight. And I didn't want to be fake with you guys, so you will see me stop, take a little break, and I'll speed through the walks. But I definitely won't change the speed of me running. So what you guys see is me running is the actual pace I'm going. I started with the speed of 4.0, and then I began to run at 5.0. So just want to be real with you guys and not to fake anything. I did take times where I walked just to prepare my body for running again. I also wanted to give a big shout out to some of my new subscribers, especially Micah Fullwood. Thank you, girl. You helped me hit 300 subscribers. I appreciate the support so much from you guys. Y'all love my workout videos, and it's definitely making my channel grow. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Little baby in the bag and I'm
Come here, girl. Stop playing. Let me beat that.
If you guys didn't know, running helps with building a strong core. It also helps you with building muscles in your glutes, hips, and also in your quads, back, and hamstring. So there's so many different benefits on the body besides losing weight, and I will link all of that stuff down below.
Shipping only cause you know you poppin'. That's how big this baby you got it, girl, you got it, girl. That's how big this baby you.
Can you play that again?
Let me beat that. Look around, give you my last name. You got it, girl. Look around, give you my last name. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. Look around, give you my last name. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. Look around, give you my last name.
Todd, can you play that again?
Hold on, wait, let me fix my wig and myself, cause I'm so tired of everybody talking about some, hold on, everybody saying she big, look at her trying to run, she can't run. Now who can't run? Now who can't run? Who can't run? Yeah. Who ain't got speed? Play with your mama, not me. And that's on who? That's on Mary Had a Little Lamb. I'm tired. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Little baby in the bag and I'm back. Little baby in the bag and I'm
Come here, girl. Stop playing. Let me beat that.
Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you beat that. Look around, give you my last name. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. Look around, give you my last name. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you stop playing. Look around, give you my last name. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. Got it, girl. You got it. Little baby in the bag and I'm back. No, not a problem, but you Think you got a bag and now you ballin'. Fuck around, give you my last name. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin'. That's how bad, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. That's how bad, cause baby, you.
Todd, can you play that again?
Let me beat that. Fuck around, give you my last name. You got it, girl. Fuck around, give you my last name. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. Fuck around, give you my last name. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. Fuck around, give you my last name.
It's J Dub. Empire.
Okay, now we're going to get into my arm and back workout. This is the little machine station that I'm going to be using. I'm not even going to lie to y'all. By the time I got to this point of my workout, I was tired. Y'all see me in the back taking gym pictures to post on my Instagram. I was ready to go by the time I got here, but I wanted to push through and finish. I'm doing the row machine. I did 3 sets of 10 for each of the machines that I'm going to be showing you guys.
Hold up.
Todd, can you play that again?
Raspberry, put a word.
It's J Dub. Empire.
Even almost got married, and for Pete I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to my God, 'cause he was an angel.
It's Empire. It's Empire. It's Empire.
Hold up.
Thank you. I'm so fucking grateful. Thank you.
Damn, mommy.
Here we go.
Raspberry, grape, cherry. Put a word.
And for Pete I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to my God, 'cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience.
I want to thank you guys for watching. This video was very extremely special to me just because I'm running and this is something that I've always been scared to do. So if you're still watching this video, make sure you leave the little run emoji down below just to let me know that you guys supported me all the way through. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, make sure y'all comment down below what workouts are y'all doing. Are you on your weight loss journey? Are you beginning it? And thank you guys for watching.